Hello friends. So is your car struggling to start, or is that battery warning light on? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0517, this means there's an issue with the battery temperature sensor circuit, specifically a high input. In this video, I'll explain what P0517 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and of course, how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0517 code stands for Battery Temperature Sensor Circuit High Input. This means the Engine Control Module, or ECM, is receiving a voltage signal higher than expected from the battery temperature sensor. Since this sensor helps the ECM control charging voltage based on battery temperature, a faulty reading can lead to overcharging, undercharging, or even battery damage. Common symptoms of P0517 include the check engine light coming on, the battery warning light showing up on your dashboard, your car struggling to start or maybe cranking slowly, overcharging or undercharging of the battery, and even fluctuating battery voltage. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0517, check these key components. First, the battery temperature sensor. This is typically found inside the battery tray, or attached right to the battery casing. Next, take a look at the battery terminals and wiring, which are connected to the battery's positive and negative terminals. Finally, don't forget the alternator and voltage regulator, which are usually mounted on the engine, near the serpentine belt. Alright, so let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see that P0517 code pop up. First up, a faulty battery temperature sensor. This little sensor can send incorrect voltage readings, which, honestly, can really throw things off. Next, loose or corroded battery connections. Poor connections here can actually lead to voltage spikes, which is not great for your system. And then there's damaged sensor wiring. Broken or shorted wires can send all sorts of incorrect voltage signals, making it tough for your car to know what's really going on. Another thing to look out for is a defective alternator or voltage regulator. If these go bad, they can cause overcharging and give you a high voltage input. And in rare cases, there might be an ECM malfunction. That's when the engine control module misinterprets the sensor signals. So, let's get into what you can actually do to fix that P0517 code. Alright, so, let's start with step 1. You want to use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0517 code. Next up, step 2, inspect the battery temperature sensor. If you find that it's faulty, go ahead and replace it. Now moving on, step 3 is to check your battery terminals. Make sure to clean off any corrosion and tighten up any loose connections. And for step 4, test the alternator and voltage regulator. You'll want to ensure the voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. For step 5, inspect the sensor wiring and fuses. If you spot any broken wires, repair them, or if you find blown fuses, just replace them. Then, step 6 is to reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So, the P0517 code is mainly caused by a faulty battery temperature sensor, loose wiring, or alternator issues. Fixing it will help prevent battery failure and charging system problems down the road. And hey, for more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0278 Cylinder 6, Contribution or Balance Fault, and P0279 Cylinder 7 Contribution or Balance Fault. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.